Using automated email marketing. Automation can make your life as an email marketing specialist or brand and business owner much easier, since it can allow you to set, create, and plan out your emails in advance and automatically send them to your subscribers whenever required. In fact, as your email list continues to grow, automation is something you will need to do, since it is not possible to manually type out emails to send out at a particular time. Segmentation. If you have made it to this point of this email marketing primer, then you know by now that segmentation is key to a successful email marketing campaign. This is because it can allow you to divide up your email list or subscribers into smaller lists and groups so that you can send out emails relevant to those groups in particular. Set goals. Setting goals in this case means that you should select one or more goals for your automated emails or autoresponder emails. These can send out a certain kind of email based on the behavior of your subscribers. Welcome emails. In case you get a new subscriber through an opt-in form on your website, then you should set up a welcome email to introduce your brand or business to your new subscriber. First, however, you can set up an autoresponder that asks your new subscriber to confirm their subscription and sending them this welcome email. Sales funnels. There are various stages in a potential customer's journey that can include awareness, consideration, and decision. Retention is also often an important stage to ensure that this customer continues to buy from you in the future. Lead magnets. A good way to get new subscribers or conversions is to offer lead magnets that can offer an incentive for potential audiences to subscribe to your emails. Thus, as soon as someone subscribes to your emails using your opt-in form, an autoresponder sequence can allow them to receive the lead magnet in their inbox. Offers and promotions. Providing offers and promotions to your customers and subscribers can help you increase sales. For instance, if someone purchases a certain product or service from you, then you can send them automated emails for related products or slightly more expensive products of a similar kind. Map out your workflow. A workflow is an automated email sequence that can let you plan out certain kinds of emails that get sent based on different criteria and categories. This can let you figure out when to send emails, how often, how many, as well as the interval between the emails. Write your emails. The next step here is to actually write your emails that you can then feed into the automated email sequences. You can, of course, make this process easier for yourself by using templates or even professional writing services, although the latter will cost you more. Track and monitor. In general, the essence of automated email marketing is to help you set a few responses, triggers, tags, workflows, autoresponders, and series that can simply send the emails for you, depending on the criteria you have established. However, while this can simplify the process for you significantly, you will still need to keep track of these automated emails to ensure that they are having the desired effect, instead of leading to a loss of subscribers without enough conversions.